Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. Welcome to Pincore Communal, where we have well-known expertise and scholars ready to guide you. In this video, we are going to discuss about RFID reader and tag, which is a radio frequency identification. In this video, we will have a look at what is RFID, what is inside RFID, and its applications. So what is RFID? RFID, or the radio frequency identification, is a form of wireless communication that incorporates the usage of electromagnetic or electrostatic coupling in the radio frequency portion of electromagnetic spectrum to identify any object. RFID belongs to a group of technologies referred to as automatic identification and data capture. RFID, or radio frequency identification, works on radio waves. The history of RFID can be traced back to World War II, when it was used by the British to identify friendly aircrafts. The technology has developed over the years and is now used in a wide range of applications. It is used to automatically identify, locate, and track the objects. The objects can be anything like books in a library or tracking of birds or vehicles. Basically, to perform the tracking or locating of an object through RFID, what do we do is the RFID tag is attached to the object which has to be tracked, as you can see here. The RFID reader continuously sends these radio waves. So whenever the RFID tag is in the range of the reader, it sends back its feedback signal to the reader and detects the object. The RFID does not depend on line of sight concept. Whenever the tag and readers are in range, the object detection is possible. Now let's see, what does this RFID contain? It basically contains reader and tags as seen before. These readers can have different frequency of operations like low frequency, high frequency, and ultra high frequency. The range of low frequency is 125 kHz to 134 kHz and can go up to 10 centimeters range. High frequency radio waves have 13.56 Hz and can go up to a range of 1 meter, whereas ultra high frequency has 860 MHz to 960 MHz and can travel for a longer range. These RFID tags are classified as active, passive, and semi-passive. These active tags have their own power supply and doesn't depend on readers' signals for power. These passive tags do not have their own power supply and depends on the waves coming from reader for source of energy. And semi-passive tags have their own power supply, but in case of feedback signals, it depends on the reader's signals for energy source. So now let's see what is inside RFID. First, let us discuss on RFID reader. The RFID reader contains a signal generator, a microcontroller, and a signal detector. The signal generator generates signals through this antenna, and the signal detector detects the signal from antenna. And to process the information sent by the tags, the microcontroller comes in picture and will be connected to the system. These RFID readers can be of any sizes like handheld system, which you will basically see during the building of any items, and also it can be as big as doors, which we will be able to see in shopping malls. Next comes RFID tags. Tags can be in form of a keychain or credit card or even the labels. The basic component of tag is transponder, which receives the radio waves from readers and sends the feedback signals using the antenna. These signals are stored across the capacitor present in the rectifier circuit and acts as the supplier for the controller and memory. So this is how RFID readers and tags are used and it's working. Here are few applications of RFID. In chaotic manufacturing, shipping, and distribution environments, real-time data on the status of individual items provides insights that turn into actionable measures. This is possible using the RFID technology. Next application is item level tracking. Tracking assets on the item level is beneficial across a broad cross-section of industries, but the retail sector has one of the highest ceilings in terms of opportunity from the use of RFID. In construction and other related industries, materials are often the largest project expenditure. On large job sites, simply finding materials can be problematic. RFID solutions takes the guesswork out of the equation, and the main application is materials management. So hope you have understood about RFID and its technology. If you have any queries, drop a mail to info@pincore.in or reach us on 9686963065. To become a volunteer member, try to drop down to the below location. Thank you for watching and stay tuned till next session.